Today we're going to be looking at compass constructions. So the first thing I'd like you to do is write down your title, compass constructions. Make sure that's underlined and write today's date as well. And the first construction we're going to be looking at is the perpendicular bisector. Have a think about what those two words mean, and then think about what they mean together. So perpendicular means at right angles to, and bisector means to split into two pieces. So if we're doing a perpendicular bisector, we're looking for a line which splits another line completely in two, and the key feature is that all of those points on that line are an equal distance from the edges of the original line. So can you write that down in your own words? And I'll write something down which means that. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of a demonstration of this, and what you'll need is a ruler, a pair of compasses and a pencil, and your example sheet. So for the very first one, we've got a line and we're going to construct the perpendicular bisector of this line. What you need is your compass, put it on the edge of the line and make sure that it's extended over half of the line. You're then going to draw an arc above the line. And it's very important throughout this that you make sure your compass stays in the same position. You can't extend it or put it any closer. You then need to do one below the line. And you should have something like this, and my compass has stayed exactly the same all the way through. I've still not changed it, and I'm going to do it on the other side. So I draw one arc above, and I draw another arc below there. Okay, with our ruler, we then draw a line through those, and just to prove it, if we measure either side, that's 3 and 4 millimeters, and so the other side should be 3 centimeters and 4 millimeters, which it is. So we've got a line which splits it perfectly into two equal pieces, and all the points on this line are an equal distance from the points at the edge. What I'd like you to do now then is, can you follow that? You can also copy those instructions down into your book to make sure that you've got it in your own words, and then you can do it for the other two.